This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the motorcycle on a center or paddock stand so the rear wheel spins freely. Once stable, disconnect the battery or ignition to avoid accidental starts. Loosen the rear axle nut and back-off chain adjusters just enough to free the wheel. Measure chain wear and confirm sprocket tooth count so you order correct parts. Remove the rear brake caliper or any obstructing hardware, then ease the wheel out while supporting the hub. Make sure to keep bolts and spacers organized for reinstallation. With the wheel out, remove the front sprocket cover and use a counter-hold tool to prevent the output shaft from spinning while you remove the nut. Slide off the old front sprocket and inspect the shaft, seals, and bearing surfaces. Replace any worn components to avoid premature failure. On the rear, remove the sprocket bolts and take off the old sprocket. Clean the hub, then position the new sprocket with teeth oriented for correct rotation. Once aligned, torque bolts to spec and use thread locker if manufacturer recommends it. Thread the new chain over both sprockets and determine correct length. Remove excess links and install the master link or rivet per chain type. Once joined, set initial chain slack to the manufacturer's recommended 1:1. 5 inches of free play, then align the wheel so the chain line is straight. Use a straight edge from the front sprocket through the rear wheel hub. Torque the axle to spec and re-torque all sprocket fasteners. After a short test ride, check for noise or tight spots and re-torque after roughly 50 miles. If binding occurs, inspect alignment and bearing condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.